Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got this new Tiger rice cooker warmer, and this is a 5.5 cup. The nice thing with this, it has a digital timer, and this one cooks perfect brown rice, special cooking process. It enhances the taste of the brown rice, and it's safe and innovative cooking tray, BPA free tray with steam and holes on the sides, so you can prepare a very nice white rice or either brown rice. And it comes with the battery, as you see. So you see there's a instruction: ingestions of hazard. This product contains a button cell. Coin cell death or serious injury can occur if ingested. A swallowed button cell or coin battery can cause internal. Always remember that this type of digital rice cooker, this is not like a regular rice cooker that you need to press. You need to push it down and it will start cooking. By this one, you need to press the button. You need to select the setting that you would like to use. As you see, there's a quick rice, plain, the porridge, mix, sweet, brown, multi-grain, slow cook, and steam. I basically cook brown rice, and this one cooks really well. And it comes with the spatula, cup, and the steam. This is a steam tray. Very nice rice cooker that you can buy from Costco. I'm not affiliated from Costco, but I got this from Costco for $90. Before, I remember way back 5 years, my Tiger like this, I got it for $140. Now they lowered the price. Once you buy a rice cooker like this, do not lose the receipt. Take a picture of it, save it to your email, because anything happen in the event that your rice cooker fail to work properly, you are able to return this back whether you use it for almost 5 years. The problem that I had, that my rice cooker no longer working anymore. I decided to get a new one instead of returning it to Costco, because Costco will replace your rice cooker regardless how many years you've been using it. That's what the customer service explained it to me, and I've seen a lot of people returning their product, even it's an older product, as long as you guys have the receipt. That's what I'm giving you guys an advice. Keep your receipt, take a picture of it, save it to your email, and from that email they are able to pull out your receipt number. Once they pull out your receipt number, so they can return it back, the money from your credit card, or either if you pay cash, they will pay back the cash to you. That's the good thing with Costco. You can buy this only from Costco. I don't know, Amazon probably carry this, and eBay or either Walmart, but I highly recommend you guys buy from Costco. It has a lifetime warranty, as what the customer service explained it to me. Bring it back to them, no question asked. They're going to credit back the money that you spent for your rice cooker. So this is an easy cooking solution, microcomputer control, cooking cycle with timer option. The 10 setting is quick rice, synchro cooking, plain rice, porridge, mixed rice, sweet rice, brown rice, and multi-grain, slow cooking, steam. I'm showing you guys once I open this one. Opening this rice cooker, it comes with the user manual. This is made in Japan, not made in Korea or made in China. The best brand that you can buy. Warranty service, they give you a warranty service like this. Oh, they have I didn't know that they have a warranty service. And then, oh, lifetime warranty, limited warranty. This is limited warranty, covers a defect, tiba materials, workmanship for a new Tiger, return shipping, outbound. But if you guys have an issue with this type of rice cooker, never return this to the manufacturing company, as what I'm telling you. Costco will cover a lifetime warranty for this type of rice cooker because they are a retail store. They are an authorized dealer of Tiger rice cooker. So it has a warranty card. The warranty company that you can return this back as what they give informations for this warranty card. Tiger Corporation USA, so 1815 West 215 Street, Unit 106, Torrance. So they have a service center at Torrance. So a lifetime warranty, like a limited warranty. But you need to pay for the shipping. But if I were you, just return it back to Costco. So this is the manual. Manual is written in English, so easy to understand. Don't lose the manual, because if you have some issue, you are able to troubleshoot. So it comes with the cooking book. Before, when I got this rice cooker way back 5 years ago, it doesn't have the cooking book. But now they included this cooking book, easy to cook and prepare your food. Okay. And this is the spatula, and this is the spatula stand, so you can put it like this. Okay. And the rice cooker, this is the rice cooker. This one is a very nice rice cooker. Even my sister got this type of rice cooker as well from Costco. So this is the actual cooking tray. This is the actual rice cooker itself. The cooking tray is here, the orange one. And this is the cup, measuring cup. So the measuring cup, it tells you that you can measure like 5.5 cups. I basically put 2 cups to this for the brown rice, and I added 4. So an additional 4 cups. And the brown rice will cook really well. So once you remove this rice cooker pan, you'll see the bottom, and that's what it looked like. Okay, you need to clean this up, clean the tray, clean the measuring cup, and I'll show you guys once I cook my brown rice. Well, as you see, I put 2 cups of rice, which is a brown rice, and I clean the rice. Now I'm adding a filter water, so until to the level of 4. To the level of 5 rather. I will add up to 5 level, so that the rice will cook perfectly. I use my filter water. So as you see, I put 2 cups of water, and then I level the water to 5. That's how I cook the rice. That's how I cook brown rice. So once you put it inside, like this, you need to twist it back and forth, clockwise and counterclockwise, just to sit the bottom of this pan. Now you're set to go. I'm gonna put the timer. Okay guys, prior I will put the pot again, clean this lid, and this is a removable, so you are able to remove it and put it back. That's where the steam goes. So I'm gonna put this back again, the pot, this rice cooker pot. Now all I need to do is just put this lid back and plug this in, fire this out. So once you start, you set the timer, you see that quick set. That quick set should be in the brown. So by setting that, you need to press the menu. so that this blinking timer, blinking setting rather, it will change to plain, porridge, mixed sweet, brown rice. So the brown rice, it tells you which the arrow goes. Now this is a brown rice, and then you need to press start. Now this one will cook. Wait for 40 to 45 minutes or so, and the rice will be done. And you can see how this rice cooker will cook. It tastes a very delicious brown rice. Tastes really good. I definitely highly recommend this Tiger rice cooker made in Japan. Now the brown rice is already done. Let's check this out. What looks like inside. Once you open it, as you see, I steam the broccoli, which I used to do all the time whenever I cook rice. Now I have a healthy vegetable steamed broccoli. I never fry a broccoli. I always steam it. I use to steam it using my rice cooker, and this is what it looked like, the brown rice. So you put 2 cups, and then you added 5. Now you have a delicious brown rice. This is already been cooked. Some other people, they added some olive oil, they added some seasoning to the rice. But the way I cook the rice, I would like to cook it plain rice, and this is how I cook it. And if I need some vegetable, I put the steam tray, and I added whatever vegetable that I put. Sometimes I put carrots, sometimes I put broccoli, I put asparagus, so on and so forth. But right now, I just added this broccoli, and it's a healthy steamed broccoli. Now I have cooked rice. I cook it for almost 45 minutes or so. That's the remaining standby time. Now we keep warming. After the rice been cooked by this Tiger, it's set into keep warm. It's not gonna burn your rice. But do not leave the rice cooker unattended for a long period of time. You do not know what will happen. I basically cook, and I pay attention if my rice cooker has already been done. Once it's done, I let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes or so that I will make sure that the rice is not wet. The rice is perfectly done, so I don't have any problem. After I cook, I remove it to the pan, to the cooking rice cooker pan, and I put it into my rice tray or rice bowl, and I serve it to my family. That's how you guys cook a brown rice through the Tiger. And this is one of the best rice cooker that you can buy from Costco for $90. The price of this is $89.99, so total of $90 plus tax, and it's a lifetime warranty. If you guys have any problem with Tiger brand like this, bring it to the Costco. Always take a picture of your receipt, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. As well how they explained it to me. I asked the customer service, and they said if you have any problem, just show your receipt and we will replace it, no question asked. I've seen a lot of people, that's what I said a while ago, I've seen a lot of people returning an old rice cooker from Costco without any question asked. The only thing that they showed is the receipt. So take a picture of your receipt and save it to your email and highlight it to star, and you are able to pull out whatever years that you guys this rice cooker will serve. My rice cooker served for almost 5 years. Now it's starting to give me an error that it won't cook anymore, but I lost the receipt, so I decided to take a picture of the new receipt. I barely got this yesterday from Costco. Now I'm going to keep the receipt, take a picture of it, and save it to my email. I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. And if you guys found my YouTube channel helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to my channel so that you guys have been updated for more videos to come. Again, this is a Tiger rice cooker that you are able to cook different variety of cooking. You can do the quick rice, plain, porridge, mixed sweet, brown, multigrain, slow cook, in steam. Okay, and you can make bread as well using this rice cooker, but you can use the the cookbook that they provided from this Tiger Shack. Before, when I got the Tiger Shack, it didn't come with the cookbook, but now it comes with the cookbook, and that's a big plus for this type of rice cooker. It's a game changer now. I hope this rice cooker will last for long years to come, and if it will break and fail, I need to return this back to Costco. I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel again. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. May God bless you all. Bye for now. God bless.